So there we are, in the most southern point of Argentina with no plans and a missed flight. And we had only 5 days left to create a commercial for the new DJI Mini 3 Pro. So after leaving our last hotel, we checked into a new one and made plans. We soon found a couple of really cool activities and places to visit. And with that being said, let's see what this drone and the end of the world are about. For me, the most interesting part about this drone is its lightweight. And with the quality now catching up to the professional ones, it's an option I'll be choosing for more and more. So we're now in some pretty windy conditions, but we're still gonna fly the Mini 3 Pro. So let's test it out and see how it holds up, because I want to get some shots of us hiking, because this landscape is pretty incredible. Apart from the vertical camera feature, the Mini 3 Pro can film in 4K with 60 frames per second, allowing you to slow down your footage in post. This is giving you that extra capability to play with your clips when there's a lot of movement. But what's maybe most impressive is its low light capabilities. With an f-stop of 1.7, you're able to film until late after nightfall.